We are pleased to show you the 2018 Chevy Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.